Henry. We have Landry. We have Tunui. We have Vinny. We have Anthony. We have my handsome husband Latu. We have Chris. And we have Ofisa. All right, now another round of applause for our Aro team. Just a few story behind. So last year, most of them have actually just started. They've never played before. Okay, maybe 2, 3 of them, but the rest they've started last year, and some have started a month ago. So it's a great, and it's amazing to see them play tonight and share what they have learned so far. far. And actually we have had a lot of them who have been sick because of the, the flu season. And maybe, I think just today, they're finally together. It's actually the first time they do it together because there's always someone missing. So again, another round of applause for them.